Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows update with the error code 0xe000003 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, and the error message show there were problems installing some updates but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for informations, this may help with the error code 0xe000003 kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And the next step, dito sa troubleshoots and under dito lang sa options, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. Click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step, dito lang sa most frequent under nito, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. So dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click to run. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic procedure. And then makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed. So ang next step ay close lang natin itong settings. And then next step, dito lang sa search menu ulit. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps. So itype mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na dsm /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung edit. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na deployment, image, servicing, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And makikita mo na dito na restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type or command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo na ang enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, close lang natin itong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart page. So i-click mo lang itong restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update with error code 0xe000003 and Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.